Welcome to ELA Literary Focus 30S Grade 11 Lit, is what I will call it. I am Mr. McCorquodale-Bauer, or Mr. M, up to you. Yeah, welcome. I'm in my work environment. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of desks behind me. These are all the desks of your other InformNet teachers. Most of them are here. We have Miss Drysdale working studiously and hard over to the right. I can beat most of them in, but never miss Drysdale. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. Where am I? As you can tell, I get distracted, just like you. Almost like we're all human. Okay, so here we have announcements. This is where important things get posted. Updates, so on and so forth. This video will be posted right there. But most importantly, the most important thing about this course is content. I've got it in 2 places, so it's doubly important. You can get the content either on the right here or on the left. So if you go into content, you'll be in student view. I'm in teacher view. And this course is slightly different than my other courses, so if you've taken other courses with me, you'll notice you can actually see multiple things at once. But it's still important that you work your way through, particularly starting with The Great Gatsby. We use this novel as a base to build the rest of our knowledge, and then we slowly build it, and build it, and build it, and build it, until you can just independently study Frankenstein. It's almost like the course, relies on the lessons previous to it. It's a concept that is pretty crazy called, teaching. But anyway, so make sure to work your way through. But really importantly is you should work your way through the introduction. Because the introduction goes over things such as discussions, emails, assignment submissions. If you've taken an InformNet class, these things will be a little bit easier. I still recommend you going through them. I've stolen some videos from Miss Hartley, because she's an amazing video creator, better than me. Yeah, I think that's about it. Make sure you email me after you go through this email video. I look forward to working with you. And, yeah, I'll stop saying and I'll let you go. Bye-bye.